And we'll begin the news in Abuja, where trial of the Biafra Nation agitator Nnamdi Kanu has resumed at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Kanu is expected to open his defense after disengaging his previous team of senior lawyers led by senior advocate of Nigeria, Kanu Agabi. Justice James Omotosho had on Thursday adjourned the trial to today to enable Kanu prepare for his defense. Joining me now on the 12 report is our judiciary correspondent, Joshua Imarayi, who is live at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Joshua, it's quite surprising that Nnamdi Kanu has disengaged his lawyers who have been representing him for a while now in the entirety of this case. How are Nigerians and other interested parties reacting to this development?
Good afternoon to you. The Nigerians are reacting with shock over Kanu's refusal to disengage his lawyer. The development has been met with several divergent reactions from several quarters. Some are saying as to what legal knowledge does Nnamdi Kanu possess to take the reins of his case and defend. Some are even saying that Nnamdi Kanu should be subjected to intense medical evaluation and psychiatric evaluation to see if everything is well. Well, the reactions are pouring from every corner, as some people are saying this might just be an attempt to stop the case, while others are saying that Nnamdi Kanu may be disgruntled as to the way the trial might have been conducted in the past, owing to the fact that he, as a person, wants to defend himself. But the question still remains, does Nnamdi possess that legal know-how to take on the reins of his case? We'll be seeing that in the coming days of this trial.
So what's the latest development in court as the hearing resumes today?
Well, this case has suffered another setback again, as Nnamdi Kanu has requested for another adjourned date. Now, upon commencement of proceedings this morning, the prosecuting counsel led by senior advocate of Nigeria, James Omotosho, announced appearances. Nnamdi Kanu was in court, strolled to the dock with a file clinched to his side, and announced that he was going to be representing himself for the case. And of course, going into the business of the day, Nnamdi Kanu actually sought an adjournment to get the case file from his lawyer, and this was what he said. He said that those who were handling the case previously before disengaging them were yet to hand over the case file to him. So he sought the court adjournment to another day to enable him to get the case file, study the facts of the case, and to see where the processes are taking to have to prepare for the case in proper. And Nnamdi Kanu also sought the permission of the court to call 23 witnesses, even those from outside Nigeria. He also added that he needed a court order to order the DSS to allow him see his lawyers. I don't know who that lawyer might be, maybe the past lawyers, or perhaps he's contracting the services of another legal expert, and to allow foreign witnesses access the DSS facility to see him even during non-working days. Well, this was met with several objections, vehement objections from the prosecuting counsel, that is Adegboyega. And Adegboyega objected, saying this is strange because Nnamdi Kanu had all access to see the so-called lawyers at yesterday's proceedings and today's proceedings. He also told the court, Adegboyega also told the court that the court should strictly adhere to the 6 days that Nnamdi Kanu has been given to open and close his defense. Well, the judge, of course, ruled, and this is the ruling of the judge. The judge says that the claim that Kanu is here to get his case passed from the revered senior advocate of Nigeria, Kanu Agabi, is strange and unbelievable. But in the interest of fair hearing, he granted Nnamdi Kanu another day to come to court to commence his defense. And he also granted Nnamdi Kanu access to all of his requests. And he also warned that if there is any setback, several punishments will be meted out. The court, however, adjourned to Monday, the 7th of October, to allow Nnamdi Kanu open his defense formally. Judith.
I must say thank you, Joshua, for joining us. Joshua Imarayi, there's our judiciary correspondent joining us live.